What am I? Oh, I love that. Okay, so we got adrenaline and calling for help. Okay, so that's how I sprint. Or blocking. Okay. Let's just those. Oh. Okay, let's conserve our stamina. It's so slow. Just survive. Did the lockers do anything? I didn't think so. Is the store openable? Okay. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. I just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Alright, let's do this class. Let's lock in. Where are the tests? Where's the test? Okay, so we can go like this to dodge. I think adrenaline will like pop us. They follow? Don't enter, huh? She is here. I want to see what's in there though. What the heck? Cafeteria? Someone just died. I hope that's Found you! Oh, hi. Now you ain't gonna do shit.
Get back here!
Let's go.
There you are!
No!
Just you wait until I get my hands on you! Get
Ow! You little shit! Get out of my house!
Holy hell. Oh, there's no auto heal. Oh no.
found you!
I love that beat, by the way. Go in here. Up through here. Okay. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay, so calling for help might be the strat.
Just you wait until I get my hands on you!
Protect me!
Get back here!
Oh, shit. Yeah, yeah. Oh, we're gonna immediately turn back. Hold up. She knows I'm weak. Walk a bit.
Just you wait until I get my hands on you!